Example to evaluate the normality. So let's use the bond fund return data to check the normality. So from this set of data, you are given a finite number of summary. You can plot the box plot. So from your box plot, you see that this is actually not normal. The data is skewed to the right. If you use the second approach, descriptive statistic, you can check. The mean value is given and the median value are given here. The median value is given here as well. So you can see the mean value is greater than the median value. So it indicates that is not really a normal distribution. So you can check the interquartile range value, which is approximate to 1.21 sigma. In a normal distribution, the interquartile range is 1.33 sigma. So it does not fulfill the normal distribution criteria. Then you check the range value. Remember just now we say if it's normal, then it should be 6 sigma. So now if you check, you should get 6.70 sigma. So again, it does not fulfill the criteria. The skewness statistic. Skewness here, you have 0.90 something, and the kurtosis, you have a big positive value, 2.4 something. Remember earlier on when we learned skewness and kurtosis, the shape of the distribution, we say the value must be 0 to indicate normal distribution. So both also you have a positive value, meaning that they are skewed to the right or positively skewed. So they are also not normal distribution. So all these descriptive statistics can help you to check the normality. Another method is you can use the normal probability plot. So this normal probability plot is close to a straight line and show the distribution is approximately normal. So it's up to you now to decide. You have to tell in your assignment also when you are asked to check the normality of the data, you have to tell which method you are used. Then from which method you decide whether they are normal or they are not normal. Different approach may give you a different output. So conclusion for this example, the return are right skewed. The range is larger than expected, and the normal probability plot is not a straight line. So from this, you can say overall, the data set greatly differ from the theoretical property of a normal distribution. Try to do question number 6.17 before you stop the session. So in these chapters, you have to know how to compute the probability. When you are given the x value, you need to get the probability. Then next, utilize the normal distribution to solve the business problem. And after that, discuss how to determine whether the data is approximately normal or not. So in summary, there are three things. The question usually you will be given the x value, then you are asked to calculate the probability. Second, the question could give you the probability, then you need to find back what is the x value. Of course, you need to find the z first, then only you can find the x value. Third question is asking about the normality. But for the normality, usually we will give you the PP plot or QQ plot, then you need to tell whether they follow a normal distribution or not. Otherwise, you can use the descriptive statistic approach, or you can also use the empirical rule, etc. to check the normality. That's all for this chapter. Thank you.